my forever love. Ang hirap naman buksan. Parang ayaw namang ibigay. To my love, today will be the first day that God will bless us together. Thank you for always choosing us, choosing me. Keep this letter, and during our hardships, always read this and go back to why we are committed. Always remember and know that love will always prevail under God's grace. From this day forward, I will choose to love you. Enjoy our big day, my love. Galang.
When we love, we reveal the power of God in us. You love her is not only you loving Charmaine. Charmaine is not only you loving Gabriel. It's the love of God.
We've waited for this. Kahit na sobrang daming challenge, pero this is it. No? It's our big day, so I hope you're enjoying. Ayoko maging emotional, sorry. Thank you for giving me this opportunity that I will always look back at pagtandaan natin. And kahit na may anak na tayo, I love you and I will always be here. Enjoy this day and just have fun. So it's our time para mag-enjoy naman, diba?
Four-letter word, but I don't have the guts to say it. Smile till it hurts. Let's not make it complicated. We got a story, but I'm about to change the ending. You're perfect for me, and more than just a friend, so we can just stop pretending now. I gotta let you know somehow.
Hi love, I don't know how to start this letter. Feels like ages since last that I wrote one for you. I don't know what I'm feeling right now, pero siguro ito nga yung kabado, worried, excited, all at the same time. That finally, we're getting married.
Be your forever, be your flame. Baby, I will be your everything. Baby, I will be your everything. No matter what you do, yeah, I'll be there for you. And every time you close your eyes, I will be by your side. Every time you make me sing, baby,
Ito na yung araw na pinakahintay natin. Finally, we will be sealing the deal after lahat ng napagdaanan natin, lahat ng binigay sa atin na challenges ni God. Ito na yun.
whatever